Hi friends, I am participating in Spartan early detection program for COVID-19. What it basically is that it is a screening test. So basically for asymptomatic people who want to know whether or not they might be exposed with the coronavirus. So it's conducted in an academic lab, so it is not a diagnostic test. It is basically a screening test. The way it works is that they have set up several pickup and drop off locations around campus. You basically go to a drive through location, you pick up a kit, you provide your saliva sample, and you drop it off in a mailbox, and then they give you the results in around 48 hours. It's really pretty cool. The system that they have set up is really nice and very user friendly. So here's the kit how it looks like. So basically, it has a QR code. So you scan this QR code, and that takes you to a web page online. You go there and you answer some questions. I'll show you in a bit what are those questions, and then from this kit, what you basically do is you spit in one of the tubes, and then they are also given a dropper and a small tube. So you measure 1 ml of your sample and transfer it into a small tube, and this small tube has a four-digit code. You provide that code online in the web page that I mentioned before. So that code links your saliva sample, to your online profile. So it's really pretty cool. You get the results in around 48 hours. And what the results basically mean is that whether or not you should go for a diagnostic coronavirus test in a medical facility. So here I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the QR code on the kit. I opened my cell phone camera, scanned it, and it took me to this online web page where I signed in with my university ID. This is basic information about the test, how it works. So I click next, and then there are a set of different questions. For example, if I have picked up the kit or not, and then there are electronic signatures. So I'll just type it in. After that, go to the next page where there are a set of different questions about social distancing practices, whether or not I have met a larger group of people, I have been to a restaurant or a bar or a gym or similar other public spaces. I have been practicing social distancing, so I'm answering not at all to uh, almost all of the questions here. And then in the end, and this is the last question where I'm summarizing my social distancing. So I say almost always. Then on the next page, there is this video that shows how the kit and the sample submission process goes. I do not need to read this because the same instructions are also there on the kit. So I'll just scroll down, go to the end of the document, and then click next. So now this is another question. So I'll just answer these ones. And then here it is asking me for a code. So I'm not going to share my code here for privacy purposes. And then these are, I think, the last few questions. Um, then once I submit those, I go to the final screen, which tells me that um, the online questionnaire is full. So now I can just go and submit my sample.